Hey, what's up? Today, Realme launched the Realme 9i smartphone in India as the successor to last year's Realme 8i phone. This features a 6.6-inch FHD plus 90Hz LCD screen, is powered by the latest Snapdragon 680 SoC compared to Helio G96 and the predecessor, and also comes with 33-watt Dart Charge fast charging. We got hold of the phone, and here is our unboxing. Realme 9i came in a yellow-colored cardboard box that looked basic in appearance. The box felt heavy to hold because of the charger inside the box. Inside the box is a yellow soft cardboard box with a SIM ejector tool and a protective case for the device. It has Dare to Leap written on it. In totality, the Realme 9i box contains Realme 9i phone, charger, USB data cable, protective case, SIM ejector tool, safety guide, quick guide. The Realme 9i comes with a new stereo prism design at the back, which is in line flashy design language it has established for the affordable lineup. Although the device comes in two color variants, Prism Blue and Prism Black, its rear panel when tilted to certain angles delivers a 3D effect, making light reflect like a mirror. Although the company claims it is a smudge-proof design, I found it otherwise. Whenever I held it, I found smudges of my fingers were visible on the back of the phone. Otherwise, I am quite content with the looks of the Realme 9i phone. The phone has a well-distributed weight despite being 190 grams, and it didn't feel heavy and fits in the palm of my hand easily, as it is sleek, thickness being 8.4 millimeters. As far as build quality goes, I didn't find any reason to complain. The Realme 9i feels like a solid phone thanks to its plastic build. The Realme 9i has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus LCD punch-hole screen with a pixel resolution of 2412 by 1080 pixels, 2.5D curved glass screen with gentle rounded corners. The display is bright, and the sunlight legibility is good as well, thanks to 480 nits peak brightness. It has 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate, but the highlight is the adaptive refresh rate feature that can automatically switch between 5 different refresh rates: 30Hz, 48Hz, 50Hz, 60Hz and 90Hz to save battery life. It has the punch hole that houses a 16-megapixel camera, which has been a standard in most Realme mid-range phones. The earpiece is present on the top edge and doubles up as a secondary speaker. Powered by a Snapdragon 680 SoC with up to 6 GB of RAM, the performance is good, but the Helio G96 and the Realme 8i was more powerful. It also has dynamic RAM expansion technology, which can add up to 5 GB to the existing 6 GB RAM. The 4 GB RAM version has 3 GB expansion. The Realme 9i has a 5000 mAh battery, which is an upgrade over Realme 8i. When I used Realme 9i, I realized that the battery hardly drained when I was not using my phone. Listening to music, playing games, and reading books for 2 hours at a stretch also did not drain the battery much. Once fully charged, Realme 9i lasted for almost 35 hours without needing a refill. This is good, as I did not have to worry about frequently charging my phone. Talking of charging, the Realme 9i comes with 33-watt Dart fast charging, which completes 0 to 100 in about 75 minutes. There are some other features too which help in increasing the battery life of the phone. This includes freezing idle apps, decreasing brightness when not needed, and clearing background apps. When I used either of these features, the battery life increased by about 40 minutes. Overall, the battery in Realme 9i is powerful and the charging capability is adequate. The Realme 9i comes with a triple camera setup on the rear, with the main camera lens being a 50-megapixel Ultra HD shooter. This 50-megapixel sensor from Samsung clicked average images in daylight. The details are okay, but the richness in the colors is far away objects. As is the case with most budget-range smartphones, the better the natural light, the better clicks you get. The smartphone has a 2-megapixel macro lens which gives decent close-up shots in daylight. The low-light picture quality is not up to the mark. The shot of the money plant is taken during daylight, while the other one is taken in artificial light in front of a mirror. The third lens is a 2-megapixel portrait lens, is nothing worth bragging about. The main purpose of this lens is to create bokeh, which is a bit of hit and miss. The selfie camera on Realme 9i gives good quality photographs during daylight. The subjects get highlighted with a good amount of detail. The better natural light is, the better your photographs get. I took these selfies in daylight, but not much of sunshine, and they were decent. Realme 9i is a decent smartphone at an affordable price. It has a capable processor, long-lasting battery life, and a decent quality display with a high refresh rate. The design is basic, but its flashy color and glossy finish likely to appeal to most basic users. If you want a budget 4G smartphone that offers a good processor, adequate storage, decent primary camera, the Realme 9i can be your choice. If you don't have a demand for the best gaming performance and premium-looking design, Realme 9i is a smart buy for you. Thank you for watching. See you soon.